Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TurboTax data import errors quickly. Yeah, if you're trying to import tax data from another year or a different source and it's not working, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to get your return ready on time. But most of the time, it's actually easy to fix once you follow a few key steps. So first, check that the file you're trying to import is supported by TurboTax. Some older formats or incompatible files can't be imported directly, so make sure your file type matches TurboTax's requirements. Next, verify that your file isn't corrupted. Even a small issue in the data file can cause import errors, so if possible, try opening it in the original software to confirm it works correctly. After that, make sure your TurboTax software is fully updated. Yeah, updates often fix bugs and improve compatibility with imported files, so running the latest version is essential. Also, disable any antivirus or firewall temporarily. Sometimes security programs block TurboTax from accessing or importing files, which leads to errors. And yeah, if you're importing from a downloaded file, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause incomplete or failed imports. Finally, if the issue persists, restart TurboTax and try importing again, or reach out to TurboTax support for help. Most of the time, these steps should resolve data import errors and get everything working smoothly. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.